Alright, hi guys, so I'm gonna be showing you some stuff I ordered online from Best Buy's website. So first, I got Kingdom Hearts. So pretty, right? We got Sora, Goofy, and Donald Duck, which I like. I'm missing Mickey Mouse. So you guys can see, it's right there too. And this is the Vinyl Mates collection. Kingdom Hearts Disney. I love Disney. Good memories. I used to watch Disney a lot when I was young. So, and a lot of Mickey Mouse. Alright, let's open up Donald Duck. There he is, Donald. Look, he's so cute. Okay. Quack quack. So adorable. Next, let's open up Goofy. Goofy, Goofy. If only they have Pluto. Right here, we got Goofy. Look at the details. Alright, the last one, Sora. Here's Sora with the Keyblade, which is pretty nice. This is pretty cool. Look at it. Check out the Keyblade. That's awesome. So I started playing Kingdom Hearts a few weeks ago, and I really enjoy it. I'll be doing the whole series. So expect more of Kingdom Hearts. So next we got Spyro the Crate Box, which costs $25 on Best Buy, which it says value $40. Alright, let's open this. Yeah, so it brings steel mug, sticker sheet, keychain, and socks. I'm a big fan of Spyro. I still haven't gotten the game for the PlayStation 4. But I got the box. Alright, first we got socks. Okay, how do I open this? Oh, we're opening it from the bottom. Alright, here they are. Oh god, don't do it. Look at it. Let me... Oh, wait a minute. Does this make... Wait. If you put it together, it makes a Spyro. Look it. Oh, I think I got it. There we go. Oh, got socks. I think they'll probably fit. They look kind of big. I don't know. Oh. The smell. I always gotta smell the merchandise. Alright, so here's the mug. Bubble wrap. ASMR. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at Spyro. Oh, I like the mug. Sorry. Really like it. Let's put that aside. Alright. We got the key change. Key change. Alright, here we go. Oh, wait, stay still, Spyro, stuff flying around. Oh, sketching. And last we got stickers. Some pretty nice stickers. There we go. I like the stickers. And that is all for the crate box. I gotta admit, the crate box is really pretty. Don't you guys like the treasure chest? It's really pretty. I like it. And the last thing I got is Battlefield 5. 30 bucks. It was on special from 60 to 30 on Best Buy. And if you purchase this, you will also get this for free. This by itself costs $10. The steelbook case, which is a pretty nice deal. Yeah, I can't wait to play Battlefield 5. Oh yeah, I heard some bad reviews about Battlefield, but this one. But hey, it happens to every game, right? So can't wait to play Battlefield 5 with you guys. Alright guys, that is all I have for this video. I just wanted to show you guys all the goodies I got from Best Buy. I really like these. I made them. I'm just meeting Mickey Mouse. They're so pretty. Alright, let me know what is your favorite item, guys, in the comments below. So, thanks for watching. Bye.